Now we're off to our next Bomber Command Memorial, which is at Tongue in Shropshire. Well, there's the church. I think we've got to park outside. Right, very smart. We're looking for a wooden board, presumably in the church, for the memorial. Wow, that's amazing. Well, here we are in St Bartholomew's Church at Tongue, Shropshire. This memorial commemorates the crash of an Armstrong Whitworth Whitley Mark V bomber of 77 Squadron, serial number P4948. On the 29th of June 1940, the aircraft departed RAF Driffield at 21:06 hours for operations over Frankfurt in Germany. Bad weather forced the crew to change to an alternative target of Essen. It was shot down by anti-aircraft fire at Bonn-Lengsdorf with the loss of all 5 crew. Pilot, Squadron Leader Mark Hastings, aged 27. Pilot Officer Peter J. Gard, aged 19. Observer, Sergeant Alan J. Davidson, aged 22. Wireless Operator, Sergeant Harold A. Story, aged 23. And Air Gunner, Pilot Officer Raymond F. Lum, aged 24. All are buried in the Rheinberg War Cemetery in Germany. On to our last memorial, one that's out in the open, so we don't have to worry about the church being closed. There's a lot of A road in this one, but we're going to cut a little bit of that out and do some nice country lanes. Well folks, we're a couple of miles away from our last memorial. All being well, yes, this is the one. On the 28th of October 1944, Vickers Wellington bomber, serial number HF645 of 12 Operational Training Unit, departed RAF Chipping Warden in Oxfordshire at 09:13 hours on a cross-country navigational exercise. During this, the pilot lost control descending through cloud and the Wellington suffered structural failure and crashed at 12:23 hours at Prince Hill, near here at Bridgemere. 6 of the crew were killed: pilot, Flight Sergeant Leonard Joseph Timperley, aged 20, navigator, bomber, Pilot Officer Cecil Frank Holmes, aged 29, air bomber, Sergeant Lawrence Edwin Harrison, aged 24, wireless operator, air gunner, Sergeant James David Milne, aged 32, air gunner, Sergeant Arthur Fred Baker, aged 35, and air gunner, Sergeant Ronald Whiteley, aged 23. Miraculously, and who knows how, but navigator, Sergeant Douglas Stewart Hollis Wilson, aged 22, survived.